before we get started and the dining room gets too loud to talk, we're gonna say hi.
Hi! I got a sunburn today.
And it's fancy dinner night.
Inside my face.
And we'll try and show you our food if we remember, because we can get distracted and there's talking and it's really loud and it's super fun. So
Hey! How are you? Cheers! That was not a come on!
you made a double. I had to do it twice. You didn't do
I was
it.
a triple shot girl back in the day. Oh my gosh, it's a cocktail. That's too cute. Cocktail.
Second shot.
Am I the only one? Yeah. Scott, do it. There you go. Woo-hoo. Good job. The pasta tastes yummy. That's the only thing I've tasted. Appetizers, excellent. Wonderful. Looking forward to dessert. You're jealous of my caramelization, aren't you? Yes.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out.
It's okay. Now tell me who won it though. I need somebody to cheer it out. Who won the challenge? Who won it? Who? The winner is the Temptations! All right, now this next one.
My castle is falling from the sky. Ain't nobody else have made me lose my grip before. Yeah, I come undone.
Ladies and gentlemen, give me a wonderful round of applause. That's what it's about. Get yourself involved, having a little bit of fun. Give it up for them one more time, family. Doing such a great job. Listen, we're gonna have our 80s rock and go party. Make sure you join me on the Lido deck. I know we love the 80s music. Then of course, the last day, we're gonna have the unforgettable party. Make sure you tell everybody how much fun you had here, because this party is gonna be one you do not want to miss.
All right, ending the vlog. I'm tired. Had a big day in the sun. Yes, people next door, hooray. They're having a party. Oh my lord, I don't know. Tomorrow is Ensenada, Mexico. So I'm gonna get some rest, because I'm not good if I don't get any rest. But had fun in Catalina, had an awesome dinner, hung out with our table mates, went to one of the shows. It's a good day, and I'm beat. Brooke is out with the guys from the table. That sounds really bad. Anyways, I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Until tomorrow, good night.